Warning, don't leave yet. The universe has a secret message that has not been told to most people. According to Nostradamus' last warning, only 3 zodiac signs will be hit with sudden luck and rise, and possibly one in between. You who are watching now, have been chosen to hear it. You are feeling signs. Repeated numbers, strange dreams, sudden opportunities. This is not an accident. Stay until the end because I will finally admit how you will know if you are one and what is the one thing you should not miss when the sign appears. Don't blink. Your answer is coming. Over a long period of time, Nostradamus has mentioned many predictions. But only a few have reached the right time and the right person. This is not just a prediction. This is a warning. A reminder that there are times when the universe opens the door to opportunity, but not everyone is ready to enter. This video is not made for everyone. It is made for people who feel that a change is coming in life, in destiny, and especially in money. If you have been wondering why something seems to be pulling you towards a greater purpose, it may not be an accident. In Filipino belief, we believe in destiny, signs, and the right time. And now, you may be the one being called. Listen carefully because every word you hear could be the key to your next stage. Before we mention the zodiac signs, you need to know this. Not everyone watching will get through this message. Many will leave before they hear what is meant for them. But if you are still here, there is a reason. If you have been through long hardships, repeated disappointments, and you feel like life has something bigger in store for you, it is not imagination. This is the stage before change. Stay until the end because for each zodiac sign we will discuss, there is a sign that may exactly match your situation right now. And when you see it, you will know what the message is for. Now, we are entering the most important part of this message. This is where it will begin to become clear why only a few people suddenly rise while others continue to wait. According to Nostradamus' latest predictions, there are 3 zodiac signs that are in line for major changes not just because of luck, but because their fate is aligned with the movement of the universe. As each zodiac sign is mentioned, don't just listen, feel it. Observe if something resonates with your experience, your emotions, or the signs that you have been noticing for a long time. We will start with the first zodiac sign, and this may be the answer you have been waiting for. The first zodiac sign emphasized in Nostradamus' latest warnings are those people known for their courage, determination, and natural leadership. If you belong to this zodiac sign, you have probably been going through a test when it comes to money for a long time. Not because you are lazy, but because life has been sharpening you first. You have been discouraged many times. There are times when you think that no matter how hard you work, something will always come your way. But according to the prediction, you are not stopped, you are prepared. These zodiac signs usually go through intense pressure before experiencing a sudden lift. In the Filipino mindset, we often give up ourselves for the sake of family. And you are one of those people who put others before yourself. This is why the return of grace is strong for you. When an opportunity, an offer, an idea, or a sudden opportunity starts to come, don't ignore it. This is the moment your destiny has been waiting for. You will also notice signs from the universe, repeating numbers, strange dreams about money or success, and a feeling as if something is pushing you to make a decision. This is not an accident. If you belong to this zodiac sign, remember that the wealth that is coming is not just for you but for the family that you have been fighting for a long time. And this is just the beginning. The second zodiac sign mentioned in Nostradamus' last warning is those who are quiet, patient, and often underestimated by others. If you belong to this sign, you are used to waiting. You are used to working without praise and enduring even when there is no certainty. But according to the prophecy, people like you are the ones who are suddenly surprised by their own rise. For a long time, it seems like your situation, work, responsibilities, and problems are repeated endlessly. But there is something that many do not know: your perseverance is saved by the universe. When the right moment comes, it returns all the sacrifices you have made at the same time. For Filipinos, this zodiac sign usually prioritizes security over danger. But there will come a time when you will be forced to choose, stay in the comfortable, but lacking, or accept an opportunity that can change everything. According to the warning of Nostradamus, this decision will be the key to the arrival of wealth. You will feel a strange courage. People will suddenly come to offer help, projects, or ideas. Do not think that this is just a samba. This is part of the plan of fate. If you belong to this zodiac sign, remember, The wealth that will come is the result of your patience. And when this time comes, you will prove that quiet strength is the most powerful of all. The third and final zodiac sign that appeared in Nostradamus's predictions is the most mysterious and powerful of the three. Those belonging to this sign often have a confused mind but a clear heart. You have many ideas, dreams, and plans, but you often doubt which one to follow. If you belong to this zodiac sign, you have probably started over many times. There are times when you thought it was over, but it suddenly disappeared. But according to the prophecy, your repeated starting is not a failure but a preparation. You are being shaped for a greater responsibility to come. In Filipino mindset, such a person is often called lucky but not taken seriously. But this is what many do not know. When the universe decides to give blessings to this zodiac sign, it comes quickly and in succession. Just one decision, one right person, or one idea that you previously ignored, that will be the path to wealth. You will notice that events in your life are speeding up. It seems like everything is moving suddenly. This is the stage when you should not hesitate. According to Nostradamus' warning, those who doubted at this moment are the ones left behind. If you belong to this zodiac sign, remember that the wealth that is coming is not just material. It includes freedom, confidence, and the ability to change not only your own life but also the lives of those who depend on you. If you have been listening so far and feel that you are not among the three zodiac signs mentioned, do not worry. According to the deeper message of the universe, destiny is not measured by the zodiac alone. It is measured by the readiness of the heart and mind. There are people who are not included in the main prophecy, but they are the ones who are quietly being prepared for the next stage. If you continue to work hard, pray, and believe even when there is no certainty, one thing is clear. The universe sees you. In Filipino belief, we believe that every blessing has its own time. Not because you are late, but because what is being molded into you is stronger. When the opportunity comes, you will be more prepared, smarter, stronger, and with a clearer purpose. Even if you are not directly mentioned in today's prophecy, the message is clear. Don't compare yourself to others. Your moment is coming, and when it comes, you will understand why you had to wait. Before this message ends, there is one last warning that should not be ignored. According to Nostradamus's hints, the biggest mistake a person can make is ignoring the signs. When opportunity knocks and you ignore it, it often never comes back in the same form. If there are moments when you feel strangely nervous, hopeful, or courageous while watching this video, it is not an accident. It means that there is a part of this message that directly affects your destiny. Do not kill that feeling. The blessing that is coming is not just money. It is peace of mind, freedom, and the ability to give, especially to the family that you have fought for so long. So the moment the opportunity comes, choose to act, not to retreat. If you believe in the message of the universe, claim it in your heart. Write in the comments the word "I accept" as a sign that you are ready for the change that is coming. I like and share this video with people you care about because they may also be called at this time. Remember, destiny works for those who are willing to listen. And if you make it to the end, you may be one of the chosen ones.